BSD tutorial here with another video of how to install Fluxbox window manager. The first step we're going to do is to install the Xorg graphics server. You simply do this by the command pkg_add option R and Xorg. Press return. This package is a little bit big, so we make a jump here forward. And right after the Xorg package, you need to install the Fluxbox package as well. It's the same command as pkg_add with option R, but it's Fluxbox as an argument. So when this package is installed, we need to make some configurations in our rc.conf file also. You simply use this with, for example, the VI editor, and you search for the path etc rc.conf. So what we want to add here is the hald daemon to enable it. And the dbus_enable equals yes. These two needs to be added because this means that when you restart FreeBSD, these ones will be automatically launched during restart. And what they do is that they handle the input devices, so if you don't have these ones enabled, you will have a problem that when you launch the Fluxbox, or if you launch, for example, GNOME or anything that is with the graphic Xorg system, you won't be able to use the keyboard or mouse if you don't have these ones enabled. Okay, so then we write and quit here. So what you can do is to reboot here after these two has been added. And the reason why I prefer to reboot is because when we make a tutorial, it's much more easier to just reboot and have these services started, because it might be confusing to start them manually if you're a beginner. So I prefer to do restarts here. Then after FreeBSD has launched, we need to edit the xinitrc file to make when you put the command start x, so it knows where to start the Fluxbox. We will not cover more than that, so we will take configuration of Fluxbox will be added exclusively in another video. So we just focus to keep to get the Fluxbox starting and to have it running. So what we need to do is the following. I prefer to do like this, echo, and in citat you put usr local bin start Fluxbox, and then you make two of these to following. So this will simply add the command usr local bin start Fluxbox inside of the file point xinitrc, and this is needed. So when you make start x, so it will find the start Fluxbox command. So when you type start x after this, it will launch, else you will get the X11 window without any Fluxbox. So let's try it. What happened here, what I can show you, is that now we have a file that is point xinitrc. So then if you look inside of this file, you can find the line here where to start Fluxbox. And that's should be everything. So now we just type start x. And we are getting our Fluxbox here. So we succeeded to install Fluxbox. And we will not take any configuration right now, because that will come in other videos later. So feel free to explore Fluxbox and try to make some configurations. You have the configuration files inside of this directory. If you're in home directory, you find them in the point Fluxbox. So the .fluxbox, and here you can find configuration files. So for example, the menu you have there, so you can edit the menu directly, very simple. It's for a beginner, this might take some time to understand, but it's not so difficult, because here you have the name of the menu item, and here you have the command for the menu item. So feel free to explore. We will take another video later of how to make some configuration of this Fluxbox. So thanks for watching and enjoy.